Hi everyone, it's Sam from Playmat. So glad you can join me for another video. Today we're doing sort of a winter white arrangement with lovely greeneries and nice white blooms. So I'm just finishing all the prep work. Just show you all the materials that we're using. Just opening up all the carnations so they got a nice big bloom. Lovely sprays. So I'm just taking all the foliage off where it might intersect, so we've just got enough room and everything flows in nicely. Single stem stalks, single bloom stalks I should say. Lovely box foliage and a fern leaf. Spare of the moment, I thought we'd just add some bunny tails. Just gonna make sure all our foliage is clean and we've got enough stem room to move. Just started using box foliage, it's really nice, just because it just fills up the space a bit more bushier. Might just get a couple more stems. There's something just so nice about white flowers, nice and elegant. They look good. We put our whole life dependence on not getting them bruised or any blemishes. Because with white flowers they really show and it can really make your bouquet look a bit average. So I'm just playing with height a bit. So there's a front facing bouquet. I might just move this carnation, put everything on the right side. So I'd say this is more on the simple side, sort of quick and easy. Still playing with the eye and positioning of everything. Make sure it all looks even. Make sure there's a bit of breathability in the bouquet. So I've wired all the bunny tails just so I can get the height and length we need, and just so none of it touches the water. So I'm sure you know with preserved flowers, once they touch the water, the whole bouquet's a mess. Funky smells. So I guess the key is just keep looking at the bouquet and just making sure that it's aesthetic to the eye. And sort of everything's positioned where you hope them to be. It's positioned nicely. Let's go have a look at it on the white wall. So I'm just going to tie it all up. But there's the sort of ending of the bouquet. Everything is directional towards the viewer. You can see all the blooms, and they're spread pretty evenly out. I just have to move a few. So in that process, we actually sold the one I was just making, so I've quickly put together another one. This bud's slightly more in like the white silver tone. I'm going for a different style of wrapping this time. Pretty yellow and the soft green, just to pop out that nice white and sort of cream colours.